As you can see, these joints are crazy fresh. That's it for this sneaker unboxing and ckshoes.com preview. Today's video is sponsored by ckshoes.com, an awesome website that specializes in the latest and greatest brand name sneakers and streetwear. They have an insane selection of kicks from all the top brands like Air Jordan, Yeezy, Nike, Adidas, and more. But these aren't just any old replicas. ckshoes.com has their own factory that uses the exact same materials as the originals to create super high-quality shoes. Not only do they have fire sneakers, but you can also cop fresh apparel and accessories from brands like Off-White, Dior, and Gucci. Everything on their site is seriously discounted compared to retail prices. And they're running an insane promotion right now. You can get 25% off just for joining their Discord or WhatsApp. The WhatsApp is +1 838 900 1437 for anyone trying to get that hookup. ckshoes.com is legit my new go-to spot for copping heat. Their quality is crazy nice and their pricing is unbeatable. To give you a look, I actually copped a pair of the Air Jordan 11 Neapolitan colorway from their site that I'll be unboxing for you guys in just a bit. But first, make sure to use my code TBP at checkout for an extra 15% off your entire order. I'll have the site linked down in the description so you can check out their latest inventory and seasonal discounts. Again, don't forget to use code TBP for 15% off your total. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more sneaker unboxings and site reviews. Peace.